Likes to save money? I know I do. I don't like to pay money for anything that's not serving value to me. I was in a networking meeting last week, actually earlier this week, and a lender, it was mostly realtors and a lender that put it together. And she made a really interesting point that a lot of people are going to be able to get rid of their mortgage insurance or their PMI off their mortgages this year. And I didn't really think about it that much, but the way home values went up in Texas last year is going to help a lot of people get rid of that dead money much faster. If you're not familiar with PMI, mortgage insurance, any loan that you took out that had less than 20% down probably had either mortgage insurance or private mortgage insurance, PMI, added on to your monthly payment. A lot of people, it's anywhere from $100. I've heard as high as $400 a month. Let's say it's just $200. That's $2,400 this year. You just said goodbye to dead money, serving you no value, not going against the principal of your house. So the quicker you can get rid of that, the better. Traditionally, you sign up for a 30-year mortgage, it's going to take you several years of payments if you paid 3.5% down or even 5% down. It's going to take you several years of payments to get rid of that mortgage insurance, and it's up to you to go back to your bank when you get 20% equity so they can get rid of it. The way Texas homes last year went up in value, the average home in Texas went up 12% in value last year, which is huge. So if you took a mortgage in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 years and you put down 5% or less, I would be talk to your realtor, talk to a realtor that you worked with, or give me a call, say, hey, this is my address. Could you run the comps? I really want to have a good idea what my home is worth now. Then look at what your equity is in your home and see if you have roughly 20% equity in it. Equity is defined, the difference between the value of your home versus what you owe on it. That difference is your equity. So if you think you have 20% or more, there's a very good chance you can get rid of that mortgage insurance or PMI. And that's a great thing to do because, like I said, nobody wants to be paying dead money. So yeah, that was something that came out of a networking meeting. I wanted to reach out to all my people that have, recently bought homes in the last couple of years. I think it's going to be, someone will be really glad to get rid of that. Now, often you may have to refinance the house to get rid of it. And that's something that you talk with your lender on the closing cost and the cost of doing that. And anytime you can get rid of dead money, with that mortgage insurance, it's going to be well worth it. So, hey, I just wanted to give you that tip. I think a lot of people in Texas are going to be getting rid of their mortgage insurance, their PMI off of their monthly mortgage payments, and that's a great thing for everybody. Well, except the bank. I'll talk to you later.